In today's tutorial, we'll delve into the detailed process of inserting checkboxes in Microsoft Word documents. Checkboxes, also known as selection boxes or tick boxes, are interactive elements that allow users to select or deselect options within a document. There are two types of checkboxes we'll cover: non-clickable and clickable. Non-clickable checkboxes are static, serving as visual representations without interactive functionality. They're ideal for printed documents. Clickable checkboxes, on the other hand, offer users the ability to interact with them within the Word document, checking or unchecking them as needed. Let's begin with inserting a non-clickable checkbox. We'll explore two methods for this, using the bulleted list approach and the insert symbol method. Let's start with the insert symbol method. In this method, we'll be using the symbol feature in Microsoft Word, which allows you to choose from a wide range of characters and symbols, including the checkbox symbol. This method is simple and can be applied to any version of Microsoft Word. Let's dive right into the instructions. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and navigate to the document where you want to insert the checkbox symbol. Step 2. Place your cursor at the location in the document where you want the checkbox symbol to appear. In this example, I will place my cursor right before one of these lines. Step 3. Go to the Insert tab in the Word ribbon. Step 4. Come over to the Symbols group here and click on Symbol. This step will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. In this drop-down menu, ignore all these recently entered symbols and select More Symbols. Step 6. The symbol dialog box will appear. In the Font drop-down menu, select Wingdings. Step 7. Scroll down the list of symbols until you find the checkbox symbol. However, to locate the symbol easily, simply come over here into the character code box and type 168 or 111 to select an empty checkbox. If an empty checkbox is not what you are looking for, type 254 instead, and a box with the checkmark symbol will appear selected. Also, you can type 252 to select only the checkmark symbol without the box. Step 8. Once you've located and selected the checkbox symbol you want, click the Insert button to insert it into your document. Step 9. Close the symbol dialog box by clicking the Close button. Now, as you can see here, we've successfully inserted the checkbox symbol at exactly where the cursor was placed. Now, since we have this inserted, we can easily copy and paste it to the other lines. This will save some time of repeating the process all over again. And there you have it! With these simple steps, you can quickly add the checkbox symbol to any document in Microsoft Word. Now let's jump on to the next method to get non-clickable checkbox symbols in Microsoft Word. That is, using the bulleted list approach. This method to insert checkboxes in Word offers several advantages over the Insert Symbol dialog box method. Firstly, it provides a more streamlined and efficient way to insert multiple checkboxes at once, especially when dealing with a list of options. Additionally, this method allows for easier customization of the checkbox's appearance and formatting within the document, such as adjusting spacing or alignment. Moreover, utilizing the bulleted list feature aligns checkboxes with the list items, maintaining visual clarity and organization within the document. Overall, the bulleted list approach offers simplicity, convenience, and better integration with the document structure, making it a preferred choice for inserting checkboxes in Word. Without any further ado, here are the steps to add checkboxes in Microsoft Word using this method. Step 1. Type your list of options, ensuring each item begins a new line. In this example, this is the list we will use, and we want to put the checkbox symbol before every one of these lines. Step 2. Highlight or select all list options, then navigate to the Home tab. Step 3. Come over here in the Paragraph group. Click the down arrow next to the Bullets option. Step 4. If the checkmark symbol is available, click on it to insert it into your document. Note that it'll only be available if you or someone has ever used it for your list. If you've never added a custom bullet in your bullet library, only the default bullets will show. So let's assume that you don't have the checkbox symbol in your bullet library. And in that case, select Define New Bullet. Step 5. This will open the Define New Bullet dialog. Come here and select Symbol to open the Symbol dialog box. If you can remember, this was the same dialog we interacted with in the last method. Step 6. In the Font drop-down menu, select Wingdings. This will filter out all Wingdings fonts that have all the different types of checkboxes. Step 7. Scroll down the list of symbols until you find the checkbox symbol. However, to locate the symbol easily, simply come over here into the character code box and type 168 or 111 to select an empty checkbox. If an empty checkbox is not what you are looking for, type 254 instead, and a box with the checkmark symbol will appear selected. Also, you can type 252 to select only the checkmark symbol without the box. Step 8. Once the desired checkbox is selected, click OK to insert the symbol into your document. Step 9. Click OK again on the Define New Bullet dialog. At this point, you should see the checkbox symbol inserted before every line you selected initially. After following these steps, the checkbox symbol will be seamlessly integrated into your bullet library, eliminating the need to repeat the process in the future. This convenient feature ensures that whenever you wish to utilize the checkbox symbol as a bullet, it's readily accessible within the bullet library. For instance, if I want to apply the checkbox again to this list, all I have to do is select the text and come up here to the bullet library. Then I will select the bullet symbol. With just a click, the checkbox symbol is effortlessly applied, sparing you the hassle of repeating the entire process. Moving on to part 2 of this video, clickable checkboxes. In Microsoft Word, clickable checkboxes are interactive elements that allow users to check or uncheck them directly within the document. Unlike the static checkboxes we've discussed earlier, which are merely visual representations, clickable checkboxes offer functionality similar to those found in digital forms or online surveys. Users can click on the checkbox to toggle its state between checked and unchecked, providing a convenient way to manage lists, tasks, or any other items requiring selection within a Word document. Now let's explore how to insert clickable checkboxes into your Word document. This requires activating the Developer tab on the ribbon. So first of all, let me show you the instructions you can follow to activate the Developer tab in Word if you don't have it activated yet. Step 1. Right-click on an existing tab on the Word ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Step 2. In the Word Options dialog box, come to this side labeled Customize the ribbon, and in the drop-down menu below it, select Main tabs. Step 3. This will filter out all the main tabs in this box. Look for Developer in this list and click on the box next to it to select it. If it's already selected, skip this step. Step 4. Click OK to apply the changes. At this point, you should see the Developer tap on the ribbon. And now that we have the Developer tab activated, let's see how we can add the clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Word using the Developer tools. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the instructions. Step 1. Place the insertion pointer where you want to add the checkbox. Step 2. Navigate to the Developer tab. Step 3. In the Controls category, click Checkbox. The checkbox button will be added to your document. However, by default, clicking on the checkbox will mark an X symbol inside the box. So we have to customize the checked symbol to a tick mark. Step 5. To customize the checked symbol, click to select the checkbox symbol. Go to the Developer tab, then in the Controls category, click on Properties. In the Content Control Properties dialog, come down here to Checkbox Properties and click on the Change button next to the checked symbol option. This will once again open the symbol dialog box containing lots of symbols to choose from. To find the desired symbols, come here in the font list and make sure Windings is selected as the font. Now select the desired symbol, such as a checkbox with a tick symbol. To easily locate this symbol, come here in the characters code box and enter 254 to select it. Once the desired symbol is selected, click OK to apply the changes. Click OK again here. From this point, the checkbox symbol will now be interactive. Click on it will place a checkmark symbol in the box, and clicking again will remove the checkmark symbol. You can then copy and paste the symbol to other places you need to. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on inserting both non-clickable and clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to help more people.